Hey traders, John Howell here, and in today's video, it's just going to be a quick one. I'm going to show you an indicator which is showing some really interesting information and statistics that what the market's likely to do in the near future based on this one indicator. Okay, I've been trying to tell my traders and my followers for quite some time that I believe the market's likely to come down. Okay, now it hasn't come down yet. Actually, the market's been going up, but I believe in the near future, the next 2, 3, 4 months, we're going to see a significant pullback in the overall markets. And if around this video, there's going to be a link. Click that link. That's going to be a link back to the blog post, which is going to have this video, but it's going to have a much detailed process of why I believe the market's going to come down as well. Okay, but this is just one reason out of many why I believe the market's going to come down, and it's really interesting. So let's get straight into this particular chart I'm looking at now. Okay, so what we have here is the very first thing is at the top. We have the Nasdaq 100. Okay, we can see this is the Nasdaq 100 where we are right now, and you can see where we are right now as in recent history. The market's had a big run up through there. Okay, so as we can see, nice big run up through here. Okay, straight run up through there, and as we see that, as we see this run up through here, most people are starting to get on board. Most people are starting to get bullish, and a lot of people I know are starting to say, this is it. This thing's going to run straight up and break new highs up the top here. Okay, that may be the case, but what I'm seeing here is different. Okay, so let's have a look here. Up the top, we have the Nasdaq 100, and down the bottom here, this is basically the smart money. Okay, the smart money, basically the index. Basically it's showing a lot of shorts here. Now let's have a look at this. This is the smart money. This is basically the commercial hedges chart. The commercial hedges, if you don't know, they're the big guys. They're the big guys that invest our superannuation or the Social Security in the United States. Sorry, 401k in the United States. And all these big funds are being traded by the commercial hedges. Now let's have a look at this here. Right now the commercial hedges are 8,000, okay? Let's have a look here. When we actually got down here, this white red dot down the bottom here, that was at minus 5,000. Guess what happened to the market? It actually spent a bit of time going sideways, and then eventually started coming off. Okay, what happened this time here? Okay, this time here we had the market come down close to the minus 5,000 mark. What happened here? Well, we didn't go down straight away, did we? We actually went up a little bit and then sideways for about probably 2, maybe 3 months, but then guess what happened? The market started to come off. Then guess what happened here? The market at this low, this is at 5,000, that was boom, that was almost maybe a week or 2 weeks off the top before the 2008 debacle, down to 2009. Okay, then look what happened here. We had this dot here that was at minus 4,000. Then we had that dot there, it ran up a little bit more after the dot, and then boom, we had a bit of a pullback there. Now we had this is almost close to 3,000 here. That was almost that high there before the market pulled off. So as you can see, it might not happen straight away, but in a very short period of time, every single one of these dots brought a significant down movement in the market. Okay, so we had dot move down, and every time we got below close to the 4,000 to 5,000 mark, that was showing significant signs. But look where we are right now. Right now, we're actually at minus 8,000 shorts. So that simply means that the commercial hedges are way bearish than they have been in the last 5 years right here. This is the big guys we're talking about here, okay? This is the big guys with the millions and millions of dollars. So if every time in the past 5 years we got close to 4,000 to 5,000, minus 4,000 to 5,000, or net 4,000 to 5,000, bearish basically, then we had a bit of a pullback. And now we're minus 8,000 on the scale here, on the commercial hedge scale. Guess what the smart money thinks we're going to do? We're going to go down. And every time in the past, guess what happened? We actually went down. So this is just another alert. This is not me saying to go short. This is not me saying to go long. This is just another alert or warning that I'm seeing, that I'm reading from my mentors, from all the people that I learned from, and from what I'm seeing, that, hey, if you're not sure, don't do anything, okay? Because if this market does start to come down, which I do believe is going to happen in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 months, the end of 2010 and the start of 2011, I believe we're going to start seeing another debacle. And I'm not going to get into this video, but if you click that link around this video, at the bottom of this video, I think it is, that's going to send you straight to the blog post, which is going to show you step by step why I believe that. Okay, but if you're watching this on my blog post, then beautiful. You can watch that, and you probably already know a lot of stuff I'm going through anyway. So, okay, so that's just it for this video. Please have a think about that, because this is truly a significant sign saying, hey, the big guys are much bearish to have other than they are right now, than they have been in the last 5 years. That is saying something, okay? That is saying something. Even when the market started to come off, they weren't as bearish as we are right now. So please use this as a warning. I'll put this all over the website. I'll put this on my website and put this on YouTube and so on and so forth. Please consider this, and please consider this a warning, okay? All I ask you is just be protected. I don't want you to I don't want you going short, I don't want you going long, I just want you to be protected, then get educated on how you can make money through this hard time, okay? So, thanks again, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.